Hello friends, welcome to my channel SolidWorks tutorial. Today we gonna solve the exercise number 57. This is a SolidWorks 2020 tutorial for beginners. This SolidWorks tutorial is for beginners exercise. In this SolidWorks tutorial, I will teach you part modeling, and later on we will learn SolidWorks surfacing, assembly, and drawing. Hope you will stay connected with us for getting all those interesting tutorials. In this video you will learn the use of various SolidWorks tools like Line Command, Smart Dimension, Extrude Boss Command, Circle Command, and Trim Entities Command. We will use only 2 sketches, and 3 extrude commands for completing the SolidWorks tutorial. First, we gonna sketch the right side view of the part, and then extrude. Then we will do another extrude with the first sketch. Then we will do another sketch, and extrude for completing today's SolidWorks 2020 video tutorial. Hope you will stay with us throughout the tutorial and become a SolidWorks 2020 Pro designer.
Let's start. Click on the new part.
Go to Apply Scene and select Plain White. Go to Material, then choose your desired material. Left click on Right Plane and select Sketch.
Now take the Line command. Now select Smart Dimension.
Width is 20 millimeters. Height is 10 millimeters. Height is 10 millimeters. Height is 10 millimeters. Distance is 10 millimeters.
Now take Circle command.
Select these circles and make them equal.
Now select Smart Dimension. Press OK.
Hold on Control button and select the line and circle and choose Tangent Relationship. Make them tangent. Repeat as earlier.
Now take Trim Entities command. Press OK.
Still, we need to define the sketch.
The sketch is fully defined.
Take Center Line command and draw lines like this.
Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Extrude height is 20 millimeters.
Press OK. Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Select these areas for extrude, reverse direction. Extrude distance is 60 mm minus 20 mm equals to 40 mm.
Press OK.
Hide the sketch. Now we will make the rear portion of the part. Left-click on this surface and select Sketch. Now take corner rectangle command and draw a rectangle.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Distance is 50 mm. Height is 40 mm. Now we will draw the circle.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Diameter is 16 mm. Distance is 25 mm. Distance is 15 mm. Distance is 15 mm.
The sketch is fully defined. Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Extrude height is 20 mm.
Press OK.
Press space button of your keyboard and select Isometric view. Make this speed 3x. Change this duration to 30 seconds and click Finish. If you enjoy the SolidWorks video tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for staying connected with us.